Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your laptop's specification on MSI Cyborg 15. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is first right click on the taskbar to find Task Manager. Now you can simply find the performance and you'll see things like CPU, memory and stuff like that. You can click on each of those, then you'll see I here have the Intel Core i5 12th generation. It has 8 cores and 12 logical processors. I can also see the base speed of it, the current speed, the utilization, the processes, threads, handles, cache sizes and stuff like that. Then if I go to memory, I can also see the amount of memory I have. I can see the speed of the memory. Also, I can see that there are 2 of 2 slots used in my case. Both of them have 16 gigabytes sticks of 4800 millitransfers per second speed, and they are in a form factor SODIMM, which means that they are replaceable. If it said rows of chips, it wouldn't be replaceable. Now if I go to disk 0, I can see my disk 0 capacity and the name. Don't worry if the capacity is slightly lower than it is declared to be. It's pretty normal. It's just conversion stuff that sometimes the manufacturer says it's 1000 and it may be 1000, but later on the system converts it differently and counts it differently and it turns out to be a different capacity. So yeah. Then Wi-Fi, you can see the Wi-Fi here, your Wi-Fi card, for example, and the GPU 0 and GPU 1. In my case, the GPU 0 is the dedicated card, it's the NVIDIA card. Then GPU 1 is the one integrated into my Intel CPU, because it's also Intel. So that's basically all the basic specs you need. If you need something more detailed, then you can just go to System Information and you'll see things like some things here, but also in hardware resources, components and stuff like that. You'll see, for example, the display. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.